Hi, I am Alomi Joshi from the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biophysics. I am a fifth year graduate student. I defended last month and I'll be graduating in August. My interest is understanding how defect in the mitochondrial phospholipid metabolism would affect the mitochondrial function. Specifically, I work with one of the most abundant or signature mitochondrial membrane phospholipid called as cardiolipin, and how decreased levels of these phospholipid causes a rare genetic disorder called as Abarth syndrome. So in my research, I found that when the cardiolipin levels are low, it affects the assembly and stability of this magnesium channel, which leads to decreased levels of magnesium in the mitochondria. So this was a significantly good finding, because decreased levels of magnesium in mitochondria would probably lead to decreased mitochondrial bioenergetic functions. And I have published this finding in Human Molecular Genetics. And so apart from this, I have also worked on understanding how these channels are degraded and the molecular mechanism behind this phenomenon. And in my research, I have used a variety of different techniques, ranging from SDS page or Blue Native page, Ouroboros for mitochondrial respiration, and so on. I chose to be a graduate student in this department because this department provides ample of opportunity to learn, grow, prosper, and thrive personally as well as professionally. This department has a right kind of environment which helps you in oral or as well as written communication throughout my PhD. And in future, I want to I want to use all the knowledge that I have gained during my PhD, and want to join in as a scientist in an industry. So I'll be joining as a postdoc in Merck pharmaceutical industry.